Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I installed these beautiful bob length butterfly locks. So if you're interested, just keep watching. I'm going to start out by parting my hair from ear to ear. Then I'll move on to pre-parting my sections in the front. Now I'll have a total of 8 cornrows in the front with 4 on each side. The first row from the top will be individual plaits with the first 2 plaits connected. The second row will go straight back. Now all of my perimeter will be individual plaits tied into their respective rows. I want to secure the ends of the row of individual plaits, so I'll use a crochet needle to thread them down to the third row from the top so that they can be added into that corn row. To prevent those individual plaits from slipping out of your cornrows, make sure that you are unraveling their ends as you braid back so that all of the hair intertwines. Okay, I'm all done with the right. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the left side. And this is what it looks like once I'm all done. My cornrows in the back will be horizontal and I'll work from the top down. My first cornrow in the back, I'll start braiding it from right to left, and then the second I'll braid from left to right. Next, I'll take the end of the above cornrow and thread it through the one beneath it. Now for your second set of cornrows, which will be the third and fourth row, you're going to do the exact opposite of what you did on the first set. For this particular set, you're going to start braiding from left to right, and then the fourth cornrow will be right to left. Now I do this to allow a smooth transition instead of all of the braids meeting at a common spot, causing lumps that prevent you from achieving a flat foundation. My third cornrow lines up perfectly with the row on the front left side, so I'm going to include that braid. Once I get about midway, I'll use my crochet needle to thread all of the loose ends from above down to my nape so that they are included in the bottom cornrows. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and part my fourth cornrow in the back, and braiding from right to left, as I discussed earlier, I'm going to add in that braid from the front. I'm going to use my crochet needle to pull those loose ends down one more time, and then I will join everything together at the very nape so that I'm only left with one loose end. And to hide that last plait, I'll use my crochet needle to thread it through the bottom row until it's no longer exposed. And the result is a very flat foundation suitable for any type of crochet style. The butterfly locks that I'll be installing today are from ToyoTress. They're super soft, natural looking, lightweight, and easy to install. Here's the hair straight out of the packaging. Now, it's not as distressed as I expected it to be, but I'm sure that will occur over time once the hair is disturbed due to normal wear and tear. As I typically do, I'm going to go ahead and start my install at the back. I'm not using any type of special crochet technique, but I am spacing these about 1/2 inch apart. I had some difficulties pulling the hair through the tight loop, so I would suggest loosening it up by holding the top of the lock and pulling down on the shaft until enough separation is caused to where you can stick your finger through the loop. Alright, I'm going to move right along and allow you all to watch as I finish up the install. Then I'll be back to show you all the finished look. I'll leave a few tips on the screen so you guys make sure you check those out as you watch through the video. And here is the final product, a very cute and quick butterfly lock style that you can achieve without having to sit for hours. I used 8 packs of hair with there being 11 locks per bag, so I have a total of 88 locks. Now, I did not have any hair left over, so if you are going for a fuller look, I would recommend an extra pack or 2. Don't forget to check the description box for more details about this hair. There you will also find my discount code, which will allow you to save a few coins if you do decide to purchase this hair. You can also leave any comments and questions in that section as well, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. And as always, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of my videos, go ahead and hit that notification and subscribe button as well. I'll see y'all later. Bye.